Do you want to earn money with your website? In this video, I will show you web analysis tools that the Webloop team ensures are essential for making a website profitable through Google Ads. As we know, Google Ads monetization requires your website to provide effective support to attract visitors. This type of website needs a lot of daily traffic from people worldwide. Additionally, such a website helps fulfill Google Ads approval criteria. So let's take a look at our project overview. Here, users can easily analyze any website. You can make unlimited passive income by adding ads of different companies to your website. You can easily see the score of the website. You can also see the overview of the website. You can see the SEO score of the website. You can also see the secret keywords and tags of the website. If you want to see confidential information on more websites, the user must sign up on the website. With this tool, you can see all the information on a website. You can check the responsiveness on the mobile of the website. You can also view the confidential server IP on a website. You can see all the income information on the website. You can see the traffic ranking of the website. You can also compare websites versus websites. Now we will compare the Twitter website with the website on Instagram. We can now see all the secret details of Twitter versus Instagram websites. Users can fix problems on their website by signing up. We can now see a user's profile dashboard. Then we see Google AdSense ads in different places. I will now fix the problem of one of my websites. If we need, we can download the reports from this website. We will get the reports on the website in PDF format. We can also get the information about the solution of our website by clicking on the update button. With this information, we can fix bugs in our website. We will be able to control the website through this admin panel. You can control and change all the information on the website through the admin panel. Webloop ensures your projects earn. We also provide marketing tools, materials, videos, and other resources to help you engage a larger audience. If you have any custom requirements to develop your projects, please contact us via WhatsApp.